I have this really cool neighbor. He's a hunter. So I came home one day after one of the elk hunts, all dressed in camo, when I walked down to get our mail. And he saw me, so he asked, he said, hey, what's all that camo for? Do you hunt? I said, yes. Anyway, he's been bringing us meat ever since. So he's brought us some moose meat, which is very difficult to get in the state of Utah. It's difficult to get a tag. Very, very good. And then tonight, he just brought us some pheasant. So I've never had wild pheasant before, so this will be a first for me. And of course, it'll be a first for my family as well. I'm gonna cook it up, see how it goes. The way I'm gonna cook this, I've got eggs, got them in here, and then I'm gonna bread them in flour. I've seasoned the flour with pepper, seasoned salt, lemon pepper, and some Greek seasoning I just love. And then we'll fry it in some olive oil. And hopefully I've got the seasoning right. I typically don't measure my seasonings, I just go by feel. So we'll have to see how that flour turns out. I may have to change that as we go. But my wife, she's willing, but she is a little bit concerned. Let's see how it turns out. Hey, are you guys ready to try some pheasant?
What's that?
Some pheasant for the first time?
Oh, bird meat?
Mm-hmm, bird meat.
Yes.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
How are you preparing it?
A secret special sauce way. So you saw that meat and what did you say?
Can I try some?
Got a little helper here. She's gonna help me cook. Okay, take one of those, put it in there.
And I'm gonna help you and then see what it tastes like.
Yeah, you're gonna be a taster.
Yeah. Can I be one?
Yeah, you can be a taster too. Got the first one in there. I just want to make sure this olive oil is hot enough. So mix that around there. Get it all covered with the egg. Okay, and then grab these tongs. Grab it out and put it in this flour. Oh my gosh, that is good.
Is it on?
That is so good. Okay, hon, here. Try this one.
I just put the milk in. Can't even bite through it. It's chewy, but it tastes good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah. It's just the texture is weird.
It's different than what you're
It's not like
to.
it fall apart. It's really tough, but it tastes good.
That's yours.
Okay, why don't you guys get up here and try it?
It's hot game, but
Smoke detector is gonna go off.
it's good.
You like it?
Yeah. Not to me.
You don't like it?
No.
No? How come?
What does it taste like?
It tastes weird, but it's good.
It tastes weird, but it's good?
It tastes like chicken.
Yes.
These used to be all over the place when I was a little kid. Would go out in the fields and play, and they'd wait and jump until you're right on top of them and scare the crap out of us. Okay, take a bite and see what you think.
I like it.
You like it? It's pretty good, huh?
The actual meat part is kind of plain. The crispy stuff on the outside is pretty good.
Taste it and see what you think.
It's good.
You like it? Mm-hmm. That's a wild bird. That's good. I think my wife must have got a tough piece because I don't think they're tough at all. I'm getting distracted here. It is different.
Can I get two?
Mm-hmm. It does taste different, but it's just not. That's because we're used to store-bought meat.
I've always wondered if dogs can talk in the night.
If Chap doesn't get here soon, he ain't gonna get any.
You like that, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
You like it too.
Mm-hmm.
Did you do something different to it?
No? Why?
Because you have a funny look on your face.
Oh. Yeah, you have a funny look on your face.
Well, you're filming me eat.
I like the noises they make. Did you actually?
She wants some.
I know, she's getting the scraps that are hitting the
No,
food.
I was squeezing. Wait, guys, can I hold them on? Okay.
When did you get a crumb?
Okay. Yeah. Let's see that.
What do you think?
It actually does taste like chicken.
It tastes like chicken.
A little chewier, but yeah.
Yeah, it's a little chewier, but not bad.
Yeah, it's really good.
Not bad, huh?
Tastes lemony almost. Did you cook it in
I
lemon?
put lemon pepper in it, yeah. I wish I would put a little more spice in there though for me. Probably good enough for you guys. I like a lot of spice.
I do too. But that's good.
It's pretty darn good.
Yeah, it's pretty darn good.